Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the image generator custom GPT. That is a GPT that is specialized in generating and refining images with a mix of professional and friendly tone right in ChatGPT. Before we would dive into the tutorial, I just want to let you know that I have a full custom GPT database that you can search by description, category, and more. And you can find a link to this custom GPT database in the description below, where you can also find other free resources related to ChatGPT, custom GPT, and more. But now let's see how to use the image generator custom GPT. So if you open up ChatGPT, of course, to be able to use custom GPTs, currently you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you have a subscription, all you have to do is click on Explore GPTs here on the left. Then you can either search for image generator here, and you will find it here. As you can see, it has been used more than 1 million times. Or as you can see, currently it's a trending custom GPT, so you can also click it here and this will open up the GPT. And then to generate an image with ChatGPT, which is using the DALL-E technology, all you have to do is add a prompt. So for instance, I have a website called craftedblog.com and I want to use this image generator custom GPT to create a minimalistic website logo for it. So once you added your prompt, just click on send message, wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the image generator custom GPT has started to create the image. So you have to wait a couple of seconds. And now as you can see here, we have received a minimalistic logo. If you don't like it, of course, you can click on regenerate here and the logo will be regenerated. But all in all, this is how you can use the image generator custom GPT to generate AI images inside ChatGPT. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins, and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.